Hi, welcome to the 13th video showing you how I'm building this swimming pool. In the last video we filled the walls with concrete, and in this video I'm just going to remove the bracing, the shuttering, and take a look around to see what it all looks like after that concrete's been done. Enjoy! Okay, so I'm ready to remove the bracing. It's all solid. Selection of drill bits or screwdriver bits to take all of those off. Drill driver and a battery driver, an extension bar, and I'm going to go around and starting to remove all of the shuttering and the bracing from this end. I'm going to remove the bracing first, working backwards. I've been quite looking forward to taking this corner piece off, so I'll do this in real time as well. Just 2 screws at the top, holding that in. I'm using a drill with a chuck because it's quite early. I don't want to disturb the neighbours with the impact wrench. So, right, I think that should come away. Right, so that's all of the bracing removed pretty much from the inside into the corners, the diagonals, and it's starting to take shape. Also, we've got this has been removed now as well, all the shutter on here, so I'm quite happy with how the ledge has turned out. Obviously it's going to be finished with some more steps. Right, next step here is to remove all of these corner supports. So these are the bits that just protected, the pieces of ply that protected the corners when they were going on. So I'm going to go and remove the corner supports from all 4 corners, but I won't make you watch that. I'll do that nice and quickly. Here it goes. Look at this! We've got water in the pool. Yep, there's water in the pool there. So, but we don't want water in the pool just yet. I've got to get some way of pumping all this out. So yeah, I've got a pipe, and I'm going to rig up a pump to start pumping out this water. But yeah, it's nice to see that it holds water. But I want to get this out of here as soon as possible so that I can wear regular footwear. And then we can remove the shuttering. So yeah, next step is to get a pump rigged up. So that's what's next. If you are enjoying these videos, please consider sharing, liking and subscribing, or just hit the thumbs up. That really helps. Let's get back to the video. So now that all the supports are off from the corners, it's time to remove the shuttering from the outside. I'll leave the shuttering on the inside for now, but the outside is the priority so that I can get the damp-proof membrane on the outside, the weed membrane, then I can start backfilling up to the base of the plumbing. So this is going to take a little bit of time. So that's what is next. Here we go. So hopefully we've got some better audio here. I've already taken all of the shuttering off there, but it sounds so good when you take it off. So I've just unscrewed all of these, taken that joining piece off, and hopefully this piece will just come off nicely. But it's so satisfying doing this, I thought I'd do it in real time. Oh, well, I've missed one screw. Of course I have. Here you go. Oh, yeah, that's a good feeling. And I've got another 10 of those to do. So I'll continue on the time lapse. Nice bit of progress there. That's all the shuttering removed from the outside, which has left a nice solid top the whole way around. It's nice and flat. I'm quite happy with that. Now it's time to pump out the water on the inside and take the shuttering off the inside. This is the first of the internal pieces coming off. Just like that. There we go. Okay then, so the inside and outside shuttering has been removed and we are pretty much ready for the next step. There's a couple of things that I need to do next. I think before, I obviously haven't got the product yet for the inside. I think I'm going to go with Basecrete Extreme and then Basecrete top coat in white or grey. But in terms of what I'm going to do next, I'm going to put a damp-proof membrane on the outside and just kind of tack it to the top here. Then some weed membrane on top of that. And then I'm going to backfill this side because there's no pipes there. I'm going to backfill that with clean stone up to ground level, which would be nice because it won't be a hazard anymore. I'm going to backfill this wall up to the pipes only with some clean stone. And then I'll backfill this wall as well, only up to pipe level because the pipe's going to come round on the outside of the pool there as well. So I'll also backfill all of that and just put a little bit of backfill into there, but obviously those pipes are quite low, so I may plumb in those quite soon. But the priority, I think, is just to get the garden safe. So get these backfilled as soon as possible. Whether I kind of backfill, then do the plumbing, then pressure test them with air, and then continue the backfill, or do I just connect the pipes up and then, do the rendering and connect the pool up and get it functioning, just so I can inspect and test the pipes that way as well. I'm not sure yet. So yeah, that's kind of where I'm at. I know this is a bit of a shorter video, but I was pretty excited to kind of show what this looks like without all the timber on it. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. I'll see you next time.